When you think about the pets, what's the first choice that comes up in your mind? We all know what is the most popular pet in the world. Yes, dogs are the most popular pet around the globe. Dogs are most favorite because they are loyal and devoted companions, offering unwavering love and a boundless capacity for affection. Their intelligence and versatility make them invaluable helpers and beloved members of countless households around the world. Dogs have around 200 breeds and all have some distinct and common traits and qualities. In this video, we will tell you all about 10 most popular dog breeds. Number 10 is the playful and unique Dachshund. Dachshunds are famous for their unique appearance and their hunting abilities, particularly for tracking burrow-dwelling animals. With their long bodies and short legs, Dachshunds have a distinctive and charming appearance. They come in various colors and coat types, including smooth, long-haired, and wire-haired. They have a lifespan of 12 to 16 years. Dachshunds originated in Germany. They have a long history, dating back to the 15th century. They can be prone to back problems due to their elongated bodies, so care should be taken to prevent injury. Number 9 is the energetic and versatile German short-haired pointer. They are famous for their versatility in hunting and as active companions for outdoor enthusiasts. With their athletic build and distinctive coat, they have a sleek and elegant look. They come in various colors, with liver and liver roan being common. They typically live for 10 to 12 years. German short-haired pointers originated in Germany in the 19th century. They are generally healthy, but like all breeds, regular exercise and a balanced diet are essential. Number 8 is the strong and loyal Rottweiler. Rottweilers known to be powerful, protective, loyal, and famous for their guarding nature. With their muscular build and robust appearance, Rottweilers have a commanding presence. They are typically black with rust-colored markings. Their lifespan is around 8 to 10 years. Rottweilers originated in Germany in 1901. They may be prone to hip and elbow dysplasia, certain heart conditions, and cancer, so regular checkups are crucial. Number 7 is the friendly and curious Beagle. Beagles are famous for their friendly behavior and incredible sense of smell. With their short legs, long ears, and expressive eyes, Beagles have an endearing appearance. Beagles come in various colors, with the classic tricolor: black, white, and tan being common. They have a lifespan of 12 to 15 years. Beagles originated in England. They can be prone to obesity and ear infections, so a balanced diet and ear care are important. Number 6 is the intelligent and versatile Poodle. Poodles are highly intelligent and active dogs. With their elegant curly coat and distinctive grooming styles, Poodles are known for their sophisticated look. They come in various solid colors, including white, black, apricot, and more. Their average age is 10 to 15 years. Poodles originated in Germany, although they are often associated with France. While generally healthy, Poodles can be prone to certain genetic conditions. Number 5 is the calm and loyal Bulldog. Bulldogs are known for their loyalty, friendly nature, and endearing appearance. With their distinctive wrinkled face and stocky build, they have a unique charm. They come in various colors, including brindle, white, and fawn. Their lifespan is around 8 to 10 years. Bulldogs were developed in England in 16th century. Breathing problems due to their flat faces, hip and knee issues, and skin conditions are common in bulldogs. Number 4 is the friendly and gentle Golden Retriever. They are known for their friendliness, intelligence, gentle nature, and eagerness to please. With their friendly faces and lush golden coats, they're a sight to behold. Golden retrievers are typically a beautiful golden color. Typically, they live for 10 to 12 years. Golden retrievers originated in Scotland. They can be prone to hip dysplasia, certain heart conditions, and cancer. Number 3 is the intelligent and loyal German Shepherd. German Shepherds are intelligent, loyal, protective, and highly trainable. They are often used as police dogs. They have a strong, muscular build and a distinctive, confident stance. Common colors include black and tan, sable, and all black. Their lifespan ranges from 9 to 13 years. They originated in Germany in 19th century. They may be susceptible to hip dysplasia, digestive issues, and certain genetic conditions. Number 2 is the charming French Bulldog. French Bulldogs are affectionate, adaptable, playful, and known for their easygoing nature. With their bat-like ears and compact size, they're instantly recognizable. They come in various colors, including fawn, brindle, and pied. They have a lifespan of 10 to 12 years. French Bulldogs have their roots in France. Breathing problems due to their flat faces, joint issues, and skin problems are common concerns. Number 1 is the ever-popular Labrador. Labradors are known for their friendliness, intelligence, obedience, and loyalty. With their strong build, drop ears, and expressive eyes, Labradors have a charming, athletic look. They come in 3 standard colors: black, yellow, and chocolate. Their average age is 10 to 12 years. Labrador retrievers originated in Newfoundland, Canada. Labradors may be prone to hip and elbow dysplasia and some inheritable eye conditions. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share the video, and subscribe our channel.